the first tutorial video for CarNet Pro25, which is optic fiber programmer, MOST25 technology, which is able to reprogram on bench without any necessary use of MMI system of multiple modules. Today we are going to reprogram a CD changer like this. It's a software, it has software 490. The truth is I reprogrammed this one before, so now it's software 440. All you need is the tool, optic fiber connection, and the power up for this unit. Okay, one positive, one 12 volts. I have the connections ready. I will just turn on the tool, turn on the unit, and I will show you how to do it. It's very simple, very intuitive. Okay, so let's start. The tool has started. I will show you now how to do it. So, what we are going to do first is to check the software version in the unit. And for that, we will go to Direct OBD and we will get the ECU identification. It's connecting, reading, it's very fast. So now, as you can see on the screen, we can see the part number, the hardware number, and the software. The software is 440. The sticker on the unit is 490 because, as I told you before, I reprogrammed it before. So just to show you that we can simply upgrade this unit from software 440 to 490. Just I will show you how to do it now. Okay, so now that we know it's software 440, we will go back and we will go to the flashing mode, to the flashing option. Now, what we need to do is we need to get the ECU firmware description, which is here. And as you can see, there is something called project name. This project name is very important because this is the directory you have to find in your flash database. And load this directory to the CarNet Pro tool. Once it's loaded, you will be able to perform the flashing, but we will go step by step. So now I will show you how to load this directory and what directories you should create on the tool using the PC and the micro USB connector, which is here. So okay, let's go to another step. Okay, so first we are going to see if the tool is connected and recognized by the USB. As you can see, there is a directory. This directory is very important. You should never change the name, remove it, or do whatever with it. It should stay like this forever. Okay. Now what we are going to do, as you can see, this one is this directory is empty. What we are going to do is we are going to create some directories here. We'll call it 1 and 2. And in these directories we will load the data files we need for reflashing or programming any unit. I have them prepared already, so I will just copy and paste software 440. We want the other one, software 490. I will just copy and paste it inside the tool. Yeah, it's copying. I will speed up the video now, so we don't have to wait for this to finish. And once it's finished, we are ready for the next step. That's it. Basically simple. All you need is flash data files and all the data needed for programming. Okay, so soon I will show you the next step. Okay, so we have the files loaded to the machine, and now we will proceed with the flashing, with the reprogramming of the complete unit. We will go to the flashing option. The unit is recognized correctly. Now, where we need to go first, we will have to load the sysmeta file which we loaded to the tool. It's very simple. You go to to option number 3, load sysmeta file, and you click OK. It's loading all the files, and now we will go to option number 2, which is set up the firmware partitions. As you can see, it's the IDC. It's the technical name for this unit. And as you can see, we have software number 440. Now we will click on flashing setup, the option 1, and we will change the application. As you can see, you can click here, exclude or include the software. We will select the software 490, which we just loaded to the tool. Here we cannot change anything, but if you can change it, because it's not always possible, you should change it for 490 as well. In this model we cannot do it. So we have selected the software 490, and we will go back. We will go back again, we will go back, and we will go to run ECO update, and we will click OK. The tool will ask you if you're sure to perform the firmware update. Just click OK. Now the tool will test the files we loaded. If they are incomplete, damaged, or something is wrong with them, it will not allow you to continue. In this case, the files are OK. As you can see, we just click start. Now once you click start, the flash is created, and then you need to click OK again just to confirm to start the flashing process. That's it. Flashing is started. It takes about I think 10 minutes to update this particular unit. It's not always the same time. Amplifiers are like maybe 3-minute job, something like this. It depends on the tool, it depends on the options you select to reflash. You can reflash some parts of the unit, you can reflash it completely. It all depends on what kind of job you are doing. So now I will just speed up this process on the video, so we will not waste any time, and then I will show you how to check how to check the software version after the reflash. That's it. Okay, let's see how it goes. Okay, as you can see, the flashing process is done. The update is complete. The tool tells you that update is done. So now, what will we do? What will we do next is we go out. To go out, you just click upper arrow. And now, just to see and check if it's reflashed, okay, we will go back to directory VAG, and we will get the ECU identification again. And as you can see, the software before reflashing was 440, and now it's 490. So the update is done. The unit is updated. That's it. Now what I will do, I will show you the reverse process. We will load again the files for software 490 using the 440, sorry, using the PC, and we will refresh it again, just to show you that you can upgrade or downgrade any unit. Okay, so now just like before, we'll go to the tool. I will just erase the data we loaded with software 490. I will speed up this video again here, so you don't have to wait or for the erasing process to finish. Maybe not, because it's quite fast, so I just wait. And then we are going to take the software 440 again, and we are going to load it to the machine, just like we did before with software 490. Here I have prepared software 440. I will just copy and paste the directory to the tools memory. Okay, and I will speed up the video so we don't have to waste time on watching the copy process. Okay, now we have the files for flashing again loaded. What we can do now is to just check the software version again, so you can see, like, we reflashed it the unit before, so it's software 490 now. Okay, and we will do the reflashing again. We will downgrade the software to software number 440. I will go to flashing program, CD DVD, and then again we will use number 3, load sysmeta file, which contains all the information required for flashing. It's very fast. Okay, it's loaded. Now again I will go to set up the firmware partition, IDC, correct. I will go to flashing setup, and now here I will select software, like you can see, software 440. Here we cannot select anything because there is no need to reflash this. Then I will go back. I will go back again and back again, and then simply just like before, we will go to run ECO update. The tool will always ask you if you are sure to perform the update. We just click OK. The tool again will check the files I loaded, and if the files are okay, it will continue. If the files are damaged or incomplete or whatever is wrong with them, it will not allow you to continue the flashing process. So we click start. Just like before, the flash is created, and now you click OK again, and the flashing process will start. Just like before, I will speed up this video so we don't waste time on watching the percentages go up. And after this, we will after this flashing, reflashing, we will check the software version again, and that's it. Okay, so the update is done. Normally the unit will be resetted after the flashing, so you don't need to reset it manually. It's done automatically. And now, just for a check, we will go back to, you use the upper arrow to go back, and we will go to check the software version now. We will go back to direct OBD diag, we will get the ECU identification. Okay, it's connecting. Oh, once again. Okay, so now we can see that before it was software 490, like we reflashed it before, and now we just got back to software 440. So the flashing is complete, and that's it. Now, well, I hope you liked the video. This is the first tutorial I ever made, so maybe the next one will be better, I don't know. I will come back to you with another units, maybe some amplifiers, maybe some TV tuners, or maybe a radio or something like that. In the meantime, if you have any questions about CarNet Pro25, you can contact us by Skype or email or WhatsApp. All the details you can find in the description of this video. And that's it for today. Have a good day. Contact us anytime. Cheers. Bye.